We went to Learning Express. My brother, Benjamin, say hi to my YouTube channel. Show them what you got.
I got all of these. These are all the stuff I got.
He got a tangle.
And an infinity glue.
A tangle. I really like this,
And
but I didn't get
this
one.
What pizza do y'all like here? Just
Also
the
this
cheese pizza?
box.
Yeah.
I know.
We got a tangle and an infinity cube.
Continue on Lake Roberts Drive.
And then he got an Among Us puppet. Then record me. So I got this kind of stuff. That's the pants store. That's he got. The Global Boy.
I say it wasn't kind of worth it because he's kind of hard to stretch, baby.
Rainbow puppet.
Rainbow Poppy.
Concerts over here.
Magnetic ring.
Her
There's a
ring.
concert here?
No, not right now. But that's where they have concerts.
Magnetic ring?
Magnetic rings.
Oh yeah. And then my mini puppet.
Yeah, those ones are not kind of worth it. So, Vivi, are you gonna bring that backpack instead to school? Because you're mini poppet? Okay.
David, do you want to show them what you got?
Wait,
At Learning Express.
it's not Jay and Mr. Rocky Trap.
No, that's not a wacky trap.
We're playing
Tangle.
Roblox together. Like, wait, what? They're playing Roblox together.
Show them.
Oh yeah, she did tell me that they were playing Roblox. When I went to Berlin.
Simple Dimple. That's it. Kaylee, show my YouTube channel what you got. And I won't show your face. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Kaylee, show my YouTube channel what you got. But I won't show your face. She got those tubey thingies. I don't know what they're called.
Do they have a name?
I think they're stretch tubes.
She got an infinity cube. Kaylee, place them on that.
I think the first thing that she did was, I think it was called a stretch. A stretch.
She got a needle. Is that it, Kay?
No. And then a simple dimple.
And she got a simple dimple.
Yeah, I want so much of it.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications and like the video. Bye.